Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my world. Today I'm going to be showing you all two different methods to take down your braids. I've had these particular braids in for a little over 2 months now, and yeah, they gotta go. All right, stay tuned. Now, the first method is a really simple method. I think it's the most common method. So it's one where you basically would use your eyes to gauge and figure out where your natural hair ends within the braid. So a good way to do that is to go along the shaft of the braid, to just look through it and see where your hair ends. Typically with old hair, your natural hair will begin to come out of the braid. So those little flyaways that lay on the shaft of the braid is what's really going to indicate where your hair ends. My hair is natural, so I could see curly hair from the root of the hair right along to that particular spot right there. That little curl over there shows and indicates to me that that is where my hair ends. So since that is where my natural hair ends, I'm gonna cut an inch or so below it, right there on the X. Now on to the second method. So with this method, you would start off by taking out one braid, and you just do it the traditional way. So, unraveling it from the end of the braid all the way to the root of the braid. And I would recommend picking a braid that is in the part of your head where your hair is the longest. Now my hair is the longest in the front of my head, so that's why I picked the braid that's in front to unravel. With my natural hair out, I would proceed to take another braid and use my natural hair to measure out the length of my natural hair, as I'm doing right there. And with that, I was able to determine that that is where my natural hair ends. And so I would again cut an inch or so below that very spot where my hair ends. And then with that braid, I just would go ahead and cut the other braids. And again, with this method, it's best for those who want to make sure that they are not going to mistakenly cut their own natural hair, and want to be safe than sorry. So once you are done, you just proceed to take off and unravel your braids. And this would be much quicker than if you had to, start taking off the braid at the very end or tip of your braid. So that's the benefit of this method. It also ensures that you're not gonna end up cutting your natural hair. So it gives you that security that your hair is you're gonna retain the length that you gained. But that kind of concludes this video. If you liked it, please like the video, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye.